Good morning, everyone. Welcome to mathematics class. Today's topic is trapezium. After watching this video, you people are able to describe a trapezium, calculate the area of a trapezium, solve the problems related to the altitudes and the length of the sides of trapezium. What is a trapezium? We have discussed yesterday also. One pair of parallel side. A quadrilateral having one pair of a parallel side is called a trapezium. How can we find the area? That I have already discussed in the yesterday's video. Area of a trapezium is equal to half the sum of parallel sides into height. Let us solve our worksheet together.
Worksheet 1. Find the area of trapezium whose parallel sides are 57 centimeter, 33 centimeter and the distance between this distance is 13 centimeter. Let us find the area of this trapezium. We know that area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 A plus B into H. What is the A and B? A and B are the parallel sides and H is the height. Here, what they have given, A is equal to 57 centimeter, B is equal to 33 centimeter and H is equal to 13 centimeter. We substitute the values in the given formula and we get the area. Therefore, area of trapezium, what we get is equal to 1 by 2. A plus B means 57 plus 33 multiplied by 13. So what we are getting? 1 by 2 multiply 57 plus 33. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry. 6 plus 3, 9, 90 multiply by 13. 2 ones are 2. 45. When we make a cancel here, we have to multiply 45 with 13. What we are getting? 45 with 13. When we multiply 5 3s are 15. 1 carry. 12 plus 1 13. Multiply 5 4. 5 8 5. 585 centimeter square. Hence, what do you say? At last, what do you say? Hence, area of trapezium is 585 centimeter square. Let us solve the next sum. The area of trapezium is 850 square centimeter. One of the parallel side is 64 centimeter and the perpendicular distance between the parallel sides are 17 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. How can we do? We draw a simple trapezium. Here they have given one side is 64 centimeter and the distance between the two sides is 17 centimeter. This side you have to find. Area they have given you. Area of trapezium. What they have given? 850 centimeter square. One parallel side, let it be A, is equal to 64 centimeter. Distance between parallel sides 17 centimeter. What you have to do? Other parallel side, we know the formula to find the area. Area of trapezium, that is equal to 1 by 2 A plus B multiply H. We are having the value of area, that is 800 centimeters square, half, multiply A. One side we were having 64, other side let it be B, which we have to find, and height will is 17 centimeter. We can solve it. Now how can we solve it? This is here 2 is dividing, on this side it becomes multiplication. So what we have, 64 plus B is equal to 850 multiply by 2 divide by 17. 64 plus B is equal to, you multiply. If you 17 ones are 17, 17 fives are 85, 0. So you were getting here 100. B is equal to 100 minus 64, that is equal to 32. So at last what you can say, 32 centimeter. Hence, other parallel side of trapezium is 32 centimeter. Now in the next sum, the area of trapezium is, what they have given you, area of trapezium, that is equal to 1586 centimeters square. Sum of the parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides. This one A and B, that is A plus B is equal to 122 centimeter. And what you have to find? Height. Find the distance between the parallel sides. Means let height of trapezium is equal to H. So same, we know the formula for the area. You have to just keep a formula in your mind and apply that in each and every sum. That area of trapezium is equal to half A plus B into H. Now area is 1586 centimeters square. Half A plus B, 122. They have given the sum, not a single A or B, the sum. Both A plus B is 122 and height we have to find. So after transposing each terms, so height क्या हो जाएगा आपका 1586 multiply by 2 upon 122. You can simplify it easily. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2. Again you have to simplify it. If you multiply with here, you just find with which number you can divide. When you divide with the number with 61, 61, here you are getting 26. Height is equal to 26 centimeter. Hence you can write the conclusion line. Height, the distance between the parallel sides is 26 centimeter. Let us solve another sum. If the area of a trapezium is 28 meters square and two parallel sides 8 meter and 60 decimeter, better make sure the units of each term, which number they are using, that should have the same units. Now here area is in meter square, one side is in 8 meter and other side is 60 decimeter. Respectively, find the height. What you have to find? You have to find the height between these parallel sides. So before I can go towards the finding the height, first I have to make all the units same. What I am having, area of trapezium, that is equal to 28 meters square. One parallel side, let it be A is equal to 8 meter. Other parallel side, let it be B is equal to 60 decimeter. So I have to convert this 60 decimeter into meter. Since decimeter is a smaller unit and meter is a bigger unit, or you have learned in your previous classes that a single line where such as King Harry died, mother did not cry much. According to that, we are going to convert by the difference of 10. So when we are going to convert this smaller unit into bigger unit, what we have to do? We must divide this by 10 and we are getting in meters. So the other parallel side is 6 meter. Now area of trapezium, we know the formula for the area of trapezium, that is equal to half A plus B into height. एरिया हमारे पास कितना है 28 मीटर स्क्वायर, हाइट हाफ A 8 meter, B 6 meter, and height we have to find. So how can we do? We just solve it. So height is equal to 28 multiplied by 2. 6 plus 8 we are getting here. We are just getting 6 plus 8 14. So height क्या हो जाएगा 28 multiplied by 2 divide by 14. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28 and we are getting height is equal to 4 meter. Hence, in the conclusion line, you write that altitude is 4 meter. Now, after this, you should try sum number and 5 and 6 yourself.